Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. My name is John Campo. I've been a professional designer for the past 6 years, and I'm here to give you some design tips and tricks that I think will be helpful to anybody who is passionate about design. The first tip I'm going to give is a little controversial because of how simple it is. Some people might say, how is this even a tip? I say, it is a tip, because I've seen so many people not do this, and I think it's just crazy to not. First tip is, use a pencil. And what I mean by that is always start your design process with sketching. And it doesn't have to be pen and paper. Some people might want to use a Surface, might want to use an iPad. I personally prefer pen and paper because I think any layer of technology you're adding in is just a little bit of a roadblock between your idea getting out there. The sketching process is all about just getting your ideas on paper. They don't have to be great, they don't have to be perfect, they just have to be ideas. You're going to take those ideas and then you'll bring them to the computer. Once you're in the computer, you could finalize, you could do whatever you need to do, but the initial idea should come from sketching. And like I said before, I have a Surface. Could I sketch on my Surface? Yes. But to me, pen and paper will always be the best. And the best part about pen and paper is you could use it anywhere. You could write on a napkin, you have an idea, you draw it, you just get that idea out there, and then boom, it's there. I know this is a super simple tip, but I really do feel like a lot of people underestimate how great sketching is as a tool, especially when you're starting any project, whether it be a logo, illustration, website, anything design related. Sketching should always be your first step, in my opinion. So that's my tip. That's tip number one, and I personally think it was the best one to lead with because it is the most simple, basic tip I could give. I hope you enjoyed it, and I promise that there will be more tips coming in the future. Maybe some a little more complicated, maybe just as simple as this. Really depends on how I'm feeling and what I think you guys need to hear. So I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for tuning in.